What's going on, lovely people? It's time for the Super Bowl, and I am getting ready to make my brown stew goat meat. Everybody today making chicken wing and finger food. I'm not gonna be a hypocrite because, honest to God, I don't know a thing about football. So guess what? I am not even going to do it for the algorithm. So some people making chicken wings, celery, carrots, and all that finger food. Not even the algorithm can get me to do that today. So just come with me and make some brown stew goat meat. So let's use some vinegar and lemon. I'm gonna wash this meat now. So let's get ready to season this meat. I have some ginger powder, or you can use fresh ginger. I'm just trying to use up this powder. Little salt, garlic powder, this is garlic and herbs, my freshly made green seasoning. I made it this morning. Generous amount. Some browning for color. Not too much. And black pepper. This is a fragrant oil that I made this morning. I'm gonna add a little bit to coat so I can rub in the seasonings. 1 tablespoon. It's smelling so good already. Let's rub this in and leave it to marinate. It looks like it could use a little bit more browning. I tell you, if you smell this, it smells so good already. So I'm gonna leave that to marinate for about 30 minutes while I do some other stuff. And let me know if you've ever had brown stew goat meat before. We're always making curried. Yeah, curried goat, but some people have never had this or they didn't even think of making it. Let me go ahead and add some oil to the pot. Few cloves of garlic. Let me get another pot ready for some mashed potatoes. Let's get this meat into the pot. But let me get ready to peel these potatoes. So what are you whipping up on this Super Bowl Sunday? Are you having chicken wings and celery and finger food? Or maybe having some fried chicken or curried goat or oxtail, stewed peas. What are you having? And I cover that and leave it to steam down.